Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who travels often and still wants to keep your hair looking flawless no matter where you are, then you might just want to hear about the Conair Travel Hair Dryer. This compact yet powerful dryer promises to be the perfect companion for jet setters, featuring a foldable design and dual voltage for worldwide use. So let's dive right into what makes this little tool stand out. First, let's talk about its design. The Conair Travel Hair Dryer is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to pack in your suitcase or carry-on without taking up much space. The folding handle is a nice touch, ensuring that it fits neatly into smaller travel bags. But what about performance? Well, with a powerful 1875-watt motor, this dryer works quickly to dry hair without the usual frizz. That's something you definitely want when you're on the go and don't have time to worry about smoothing out your hair post-dry. It also offers 2 heat and 2 speed settings, which is great for customization based on your hair type and the style you're going for. Plus, the Cool Shot button really helps lock in curls, waves, or whatever hairstyle you're aiming for. For those with thicker or more textured hair, you may appreciate the fact that the dryer offers both a low and high heat setting, letting you control how much heat you're applying to your hair. Now, when it comes to real-world testing, I had the chance to take this dryer on a few trips recently. I used it in a variety of environments: hot climates, humid conditions, and even a quick dry in the cold morning air. The performance was consistent across the board, drying my hair fairly quickly while leaving it smooth and shiny without any excessive frizz. It wasn't as powerful as my full-size dryer, but for its compact size and travel-friendly features, it did a solid job. Let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: compact design. The foldable handle makes it incredibly travel-friendly. Dual voltage. You can use it in any country, so no need to worry about converters or voltage differences. Fast drying. The 1875W motor means you can get through drying without spending too much time on it. Cool Shot button. A great feature to lock in styles, especially for those who love a sleek finish. Cons? Not the most powerful. While it dries efficiently, it doesn't have the same intensity as a full-size dryer, so it may not be the best option for those with very thick or long hair who need intense drying power. Basic settings. The 2 heat and speed settings are pretty standard, offering less customization compared to some high-end dryers. In terms of value for money, the Conair Travel Hair Dryer is a solid investment for anyone who needs a portable, efficient dryer that won't break the bank. At its price point, it offers good value for the features it provides. If you're traveling frequently or looking for a simple, reliable dryer, this one checks those boxes without the premium price tag. If you're considering alternatives, some higher-end travel dryers may come with more advanced features, like ionic technology or more heat settings, but they also tend to come with a steeper price tag. For those on a tighter budget, there are cheaper dryers available, but they may lack the folding handle and dual voltage feature, which is a huge plus for travelers. As for build quality, Conair is a trusted brand, and this travel dryer feels durable enough to handle multiple trips without showing signs of wear. The lightweight design ensures it doesn't feel too bulky, even if you have a lot of luggage to manage. Now, I did not personally contact customer support for this product, but Conair has a long-standing reputation for being responsive and easy to reach when customers have concerns. They stand behind their products, and you can expect helpful responses if you do run into any issues. To sum it up, this travel hair dryer is a fantastic option for those who need a compact, efficient solution for drying their hair on the go. It's not the most powerful dryer on the market, but for the price and the convenience it offers, it's certainly worth considering. If you travel often, it will definitely save you space in your luggage and give you great results while you're away from home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your travel hair dryer experiences. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.